Voice chat in Roblox on PS5 and PS4 is available for users aged 13 and older who have verified their age. To enable it, launch Roblox. Go to Settings, Account, Privacy and Safety, Voice chat, and enable if verified. If you're under 13 or haven't verified your age, this option will be unavailable. Age verification involves confirming your birth date and may require ID submission for users under 18. Make sure parental controls are not overriding your settings via the PlayStation Network. To use voice chat, connect a compatible microphone to your PS5 or PS4. On PS5, pair Bluetooth devices via Settings menu. In Roblox, enable the microphone in Game Settings. Grant microphone access in PlayStation Network settings. Adjust microphone sensitivity to reduce background noise. If you encounter issues, check your setup. Remember voice chat details,